Currently, we're halfway through construction on turning the 5th floor into 48 patient beds, similar to 4 East and the floors that are below it. Aesthetically, it will look that same way with the larger kind of patient rooms. It's going to be a great positive impact for patient care and patient satisfaction. We'll have dedicated pharmacy office. There'll be the mother's room, which will be new and dedicated to nursing mothers. One of the other things is a dictation room, so doctors will have two areas within the floor that they can go and be able to get away and shut a door and obviously dictate as needed. One key technology thing that we are going to implement is it's called Indigo Clean Lighting. It's a continuous infectious disease kind of fighting lighting system, so we will kind of be one of the first health organizations to utilize it on a full patient floor. On any given day, we will have 50 construction workers up here in a variety of trades. They're working Monday to Friday as of right now, starting as early as 6 a.m., getting done around 4. We should be complete by the first of the year. We got underway right before the start of 2019 with really moving departments off 5th floor and finding them new homes. It's just great to see the commitment that leadership is taking with this large investment back into main campus, update our facilities, maximize the square footage that we have, and leverage technology to improve our facilities.